Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mexican cornbread, and I'll be using my June oven. Now I have never made Mexican cornbread, nor have I ever seen a recipe for Mexican cornbread, but this is just something that I threw together really quick. So first let's start off with the dry ingredients. I have some cornmeal, I have some flour, I have sugar, baking powder, and salt. I will have all measurements listed down below in the description box. So whisk the dry ingredients together, set those to the side. Now I have a can of RoTel and I'm draining off the liquid into a measuring cup, and then I will be adding enough milk to equal 1 cup of liquid. Here I'm just adding my milk mixture to the dry ingredients, followed by some vegetable oil, and then a can of creamed corn, followed by the can of RoTel, and then lastly 1 egg. Now it's time to whisk those ingredients together and then add in 1 cup of shredded cheese. So I have a 2-quart baking dish that I have sprayed with baking spray, and I'm adding in my cornbread batter. And I'm just going to make sure that that is spread evenly throughout the baking dish. And then I'm going to top the batter with a little bit more shredded cheese. And this is going to make just a nice little crispy cheese crust. And I'm just using a Mexican cheese blend, just a bag of cheese, easy peasy. And I'm going to pop that in my June oven that I preheated to 375 degrees. I am going to make sure that the oven is set for convection baking, and the cornbread took about 40 to 45 minutes to cook because it is, a pretty wet batter because of the RoTel and the cream corn. So about 40-45 minutes. And if you don't use convection, bake at 400. So this is what the cornbread looked like when it was done. I added a little bit more cheese and a little dried cilantro, and it was just time to cut it up and serve it up. And I actually served this cornbread with some pork chili verde. I'll have this recipe linked up above and down below. So what do you think of this easy peasy recipe? Did you like it? Well, if you did, give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And if you're here and you still haven't subscribed, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know the next time that I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.